Welcome to another episode of Omnisend's Daily Tip Series, where in roughly 3 minutes or less, we'll give you actionable tips and ways to improve your email and SMS marketing program, make you better marketers. Now, this week, I talked about creating a welcome series that ignores outdated best practices and instead focuses on a new subscriber's purchase intent. Let's do a quick recap of the week. When it comes to your welcome series, ditch traditional best practices of managed preference forums, your life story, and social media invites. Instead, focus on the intent of a new subscriber. In most cases, the intent is to shop. Use your series to influence that purchase. Reinforce your value adds such as free shipping and returns, product quality, satisfaction guarantees, extended return policies, or any other competitive differentiator in each of your messages. This holds true for all messages, not just the welcome series. Introducing top-rated or customer-favorite products to your new email subscribers can not only build consumer confidence, but also guide them along their path to purchase. Use customer testimonials in your emails, and even in standalone email. Based on the content of your email itself, the testimonials can be about specific products or about the company and value adds, such as product quality and exceptional customer service. Doing this, you can have a welcome series that looks like this: an initial welcome message that welcomes the customer, highlights value adds, and introduces top categories to the new arrival. A second message showcasing top-rated categories or products, complete with star ratings, all while reinforcing your value adds. A third message using customer testimonials about products and why the company is great, just to continue building consumer confidence. And oh yeah, subtly reinforce those value adds. As you can see, we covered a lot in 1 week, but this is really just the beginning. Join me next week, where we will continue our welcome series discussion. Hey, you didn't think I can get through it all in 1 week, did you? I'd love to see your welcome series, so be sure to share them with me on Twitter or LinkedIn, or just let me know your brand name, and I'll sign up for them myself. Thanks for tuning into this episode of our Marketing Tip Series. Feel free to join me next week. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time. Until then, happy marketing.